Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, I saw this movie on Netflix called Indu Ki Javani. Yaar, please, oh dear God, like it's one of the most weird dialogue writers they have been in the recent past. Like, really bad, yeah. Like, cringe worthy is just like a mild, especially certain dialogues. I mean, when you watch this movie, you realize how important dialogue is in taking a story forward, because the dialogue and the certain scenes are like out of this. I won't say out of this world because that would sound like a compliment. They are just like just too freaky, because the basic premise of the story is all about this one young lady played by Kiara Advani, Indu in the movie, who decides to have like a one night stand when her parents are away, and she on this random app she decides to call this person who turns out to be a Pakistani, and so uh, and then she suspects that he's a terrorist, but then the story unfolds in a different way. So the basic premise of the story has promise, but my god, such how can they take such good talent like Aditya Seal and Kiara Advani and the supporting cast, and spoil it so badly. Yeah, I mean, with such weird pathetic dialogues. I mean, and character artists like Rakesh Bedi, I mean, he's such a respected gentleman, but they've made him such a sidekick type character in this movie. It's just not acceptable. Whatever. So I won't say do try and catch it, because you should not catch it, but like all Kiara Advani fans, you all might watch it for her. I'm a big Aditya Seal fan. I find him really sweet. Really, there's that innocence in his face. But yeah, Indu Ki Javani, please, yeah, if only there was a different dialogue writer, the film could have been salvaged. So that's anyway my review of it. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.